What a beauty, just arrived in direct off the last owner. These really are amazing value for money. Great family car, very spacious, and what a great looking car it is. A Vauxhall Insignia SRI CDTi VX line. So the VX line makes it a little bit sporty, and it does just look a little bit sporty, doesn't it? Beautiful all the way around. Summit white, 2016 on a 16 plate. This is the 1.6 engine, 134 brake horsepower. Fabulous car all the way around. Let's take you around. Amazing miles per gallon and just £20 road tax on this car. So there we go, CDTi. Look at that boot, absolutely huge. You can carry anything in there. Of course, split folding rear seats, nice and clean, not been abused in the boot. No spare wheel, but additional storage just under there. All the toolkit complete. It really is massive, that boot. All the bodywork is absolutely gorgeous all the way around. It really is a beautiful example. 19-inch alloy wheels. We've had all these professionally sandblasted and powder coated, so they are as new. They are stunning. Great tyres all the way around, matching tyres. Beautiful on the bodywork, as you can see. There's no dents, scratches, scrapes down the sides. Rear privacy glass. Again, just a close up of the front wheels. The bodywork is beautiful all the way around, and this is why we do the videos, to show you exactly how nice all our cars are. Of course, 2016, the odd stone chip, but no major scuffing, damage, scuffs, dings. So it gives you a full close up, give you the confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair. We'll take you inside. Get all the door trims in lovely condition, electric rear windows, black cloth sports upholstery, plenty of legroom there. Just look at that space there for the legroom. Good 3-seater on the rear. Non-smoker's car. All the upholstery in perfect condition. We got the driver's door trim. Under storage there. Electric windows front and rear. Electric mirrors. Seat adjustments. You've got the sports seats, where you can get that support just a bit better on your legs. And again, look at the upholstery, all in great condition, no undue wear. Front center armrest, USB aux input in there, couple of cup holders. Mileage of just 57,429. That's what it's done, 57,429, 2016 car. Got a nice big clear screen for the radio, the satellite navigation. Great sound system on it. Nice big menu. Bluetooth phone connection. Of course, and that navigation as shown on there. All touch screen. First of the menu options. Stereo controls, CD player, climate control, 6-speed manual gearbox, various buttons for the stereo control, change the menu in front of you on the dashboard, change the stations, onboard computer giving you miles per gallon, fuel range, etc. A nice clear display. Cruise control and speed limiter. Got voice activation as well. With the voice activation, it is really great system. Get directions or change radio stations. Really is a very safe way as you're driving along to use the menu for, as I say, the radio or the Bluetooth, or if you want to ring somebody.
On Trent, correct?
Correct.
Name the place near Stoke on Trent.
Wedgwoods.
It'll just search whatever you wanted to search and display on the dashboard, and then continue with the journey. There again is the cruise control button, switched on and off. So there we have it, our beautiful Vauxhall Insignia SRI CDTi. Amazing miles per gallon actually. Combined miles per gallon according to Vauxhall is 68.9. Yes, can you believe it? 68.9 miles per gallon, and just £20 road tax. That's all, £20 road tax. 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. Part exchange, always a pleasure. Great finance available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator and work out your HP deal. Low deposit, low monthly payments. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. If you fancy 2 o'clock in the morning, hit reserve, and don't forget our full money back guarantee if you think the car is not as described when you come to collect it. No questions asked, we'll give you money back. Simple as that. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process, no additional admin fees. The price you see is the price you pay. Very simple, very easy way that we operate. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. Read about our raving fans reviews and you see why customers come back to us time and time again. And we do the video to show you nothing is left to chance. And if you want a more personalised video of any aspects we may have missed on this video, we'll happily send you a more personalised video. Simply give us a call. The phone number is 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles at 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.